How do you open this? Oh, there's tape on here. How did I not see the tape? Like, there's legit tape on here. Oh, okay. It just popped right out. Okay. I guess this is like the box you can keep it in. What does this do? Okay. This is the spin turner gauge, glide glider, flip rotator, breathe raptor, clicker, on button. So, oh, like, what does this do? Oh, okay. And this clicks. I like it. I have a problem with clickers. This is so cool. It's a Fidget. Okay, so I got a pink one. And yes, this one's technically for Jade, but I want to show you all to see if it works as well. This one I just got. Really? Come on, tape. Okay, this is not working. Come on. Really? Really? Well, they weren't. Okay, maybe this tape will be easier. Really? Tape. The tape is not agreeing with me right now. Like, is this... Come on, tape. Are you kidding me right now? The tape is like... Ow. Here's a tip. Be careful with scissors. Okay. I can't get her out of the box. Why is hers so hard compared to mine? Okay. Now this is gonna drive me crazy. I'll be right back, I guess.